We see it happen time after time. Something causes damage to your home or property. Here in Colorado, it's usually some type of weather event that brings hail, wind, or water damage. But burst pipes, fire, or theft can happen as well. Insurance is supposed to cover repairs and restoration when these things occur, but filing a claim with your insurance company is where things can get difficult. The insurance company sends their adjuster to inspect the property, and these adjusters are paid by the insurance company. Many times, the adjuster offers an incomplete or low estimate. When the homeowner contacts a contractor to do the repairs, they recognize the inadequate assessment. Contractors can then submit a proper cost estimate to the insurance company for approval. Unfortunately, sometimes a contractor's estimate gets ignored or refused by the insurance company for any number of excuses. Law prevents the contractor from engaging in conversation relating to coverage or policy issues. At this point, many don't know what to do, or think that pursuing it further will not bring positive results. Thankfully, there are public adjusters, and good contractors know when one is needed. Licensed public adjusters assess the situation as an advocate of the property owner. They prepare evaluation of repair with supporting details to the insurance company, and make sure that the claim receives prompt attention and is fairly compensated. At Blue Raccoon Recovery, it is our mission to save you time, worry, and money. Call Blue Raccoon to learn how we can assist you with your claim dispute.